Ric Flair's never had a problem making it. Ric Flair made Koloff, made Ronnie Garvin, made Sting, made
He just put over, what's his name, Jay Lethal.
Right, so what over there is talking about how Ric Flair, you know, wouldn't watch the matches, wouldn't put me over. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Think about it. How could you ever criticize? When's the last time you see Ric Flair win a match? Against Jim Powers in '91?
Jay Lethal.
When he came into...
Well, I did see Rick win a whole hell of a lot of matches against Carlito. Because Carlito complaining about it. I'm like, you're putting the Ric Flair.
But point being though, what I'm saying is the world champion is no on a fun guy. He needs opponents.
Yeah.
He needs opponents. And if Shane had what it took to be that level, Flair would have taken him. Brian Pillman. Sure. Flair and Brian Pillman. Brian Pillman to Shane.
I mean, I don't think I can take away Shane's work. I think he was a really solid worker. I think he was a great champion. I think he was the best champion
Did he have
ever
Did he have? Well, that's.
I think he did. I think he had a. I think he was perfect for ECW. I mean, obviously, maybe there were reasons why he didn't find that level of success in WWE or WWF.
Let's look at what makes a great babyface and what makes a great heel.
Sure. I mean, I think the man can talk a newer level of promo, which is what people started to get away with a little bit. Don't get me wrong, Flair is best promo man in the business. But I think there's more than meets the eye. It's like transfer.
With what?
With what's going on between those two.
I'm saying Ric Flair can draw money with anybody when he's doing it, right? What I'm saying is Ric Flair can draw money with that Flair had at the time than Shane Douglas.
I got you. Yep.
Than Shane Douglas.
I got that.
You know, and think about this. At the time, like '89, when Douglas was being pushed as a babyface, he did not succeed as a babyface. The dynamic dudes.
Oh, well, I mean, you got one shit bomb in Johnny Ace. It's half of that, so I mean, you can't. I mean, what can you do when you got one guy who can't even skateboard and eat cheese pizza?
Right. But you know what?
Dick.
But you know what a good babyface can do? And somehow shine the light.
Yes.
And can be considered. You know, take Ricky and Robert. Everybody kills on Robert, and everybody loves Ricky.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is, if you took Ricky Morton and you put Ricky Morton with Shane Douglas, who's going to shine on that team? Ricky Morton. Why? Because he's a baby face that knows how to get over. He's got charisma. He's got star power. Shane Douglas, you give him Ricky Morton, who's going to look at $1 million? Ricky Morton. You give Shane Douglas, Robert Gibson, what's going to happen? Are they both going to be Robert Gibson? That's all I'm saying?
Kind of. I really like Shane Douglas.
And that's fine, brother. And that's part of it. That's part of it.
You know, I respect what you're saying, though. You know, I think you have a great point.
Nobody gets held back if you can draw money.
I beg to differ on that. Because I can draw a hell of a lot of money given the opportunity.
Right, and Zabalski was the guy that fucked it all up for you.
Zabalski, McMahon-ski, fucking suck-a-disc-ski, Triple H sucks a cock-ski, you name it. You name it. I mean, I had Triple H tell me to my face when Brian and I were supposed to go save this cocksucker from getting a 3-on-1 beatdown to even the score, and you think, oh, it's 3-on-3 now, and that fucking dipshit turns around and kicks us both and pedigrees us. I had that cocksucking, terrorizing faggot tell me, oh, sorry guys, this is just what the Office wants. I had nothing to do with it.
Brother, like, he is the Office, for Christ's sake.
He's a pussy, is what he is. Triple H is a pussy who does steroids and pours a carafe of jizz all over his face as part of his training regimen, while Stephanie is fucking him in the ass with a strap on. That's what Triple H does. Just for training. That's without even lifting weights. But his weights, I mean, I've snuck into Triple H's house, okay? I've looked through the windows. All his dumbbells are shaped like cocks. Because he does plant hammer lifts like this. And that's how he lifts the dumbbell cocks into his mouth. That's the Triple H workout. I'm just spelling all the beans here, guys, on the Triple H's workout. You want to get big like Triple H? Get specially custom designed dumbbells that are shaped like cocks and only do hammer curls. That's how you get that Triple H bicep. You know, that and roids. How do we get on this topic?
You want to talk to Shane?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna run into it tomorrow. I know it.
Absolutely, brother. Promise.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Project Paul Martin.
Wow.
We're in the middle of filming season 2. Season 1 over here for DVD purchase.
Oh my God.